In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to promote affiliate products using Reels. Now, this will work for Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. So make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to show you how I do it with a small following. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I have earned commissions with everything from stand mixers to sound bars, security cameras, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. All right, so what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you my Instagram account, how I have a tiny following, I'm inconsistent, and I still get tons of traffic. I'm getting views, I'm getting leads, and of course, sales with my simple strategy. We're going to talk about the strategy and how you can implement it regardless of any niche that you're in. So let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing that I want to show you today is my Instagram account. If I open this up and hop on over to Instagram, you can see this is my personal account. If we take a look at my Reels profile, these videos were obviously uploaded over the last few days. But if we scroll through here and we take a look, 6,000 views. The one thing I guess I should show you is I only have 734 followers and I'm following 582 people. So I don't have this huge following, but you can see that the traffic and views that I'm getting are actually pretty good considering the number of followers that I have. Now, if we take a look at this one, for example, this one, let's see here. This one, I'm going to explain to you exactly what I do in just a second, but you can see this one has over 6,000 views, almost 7,000. This one right here, again, 7,000, almost 8,000 views. Now, one thing that I do want to tell you is that I'm not as consistent as I should be. If I was more consistent, I would have more views consistently, but you can see when I do upload, it actually works out very, very well. So let's go ahead and talk about my method using the first one up here that has 7,000 views. Let's use this one right here. And I'm just going to pause it. So what I like to do is I like to have what's called a hook, story, and offer. All of my videos follow this format. At the very top is my hook. Stop using Etsy to make money online. Now, this isn't just any kind of hook. This is a special hook that I know will work every single time, day in and day out. And I'll tell you why that works in just a second. Now, the story is simply me paying off the hook, telling the story of why you should stop using Etsy. And then the offer is that free cheat sheet, alstongodbolt.com/start. Now, let's go ahead and talk about how this works and why it works. Now, what I do with my hook, and this is pretty consistent over on Instagram, and this works for TikTok and Pinterest. It really works for any short format video, vertical videos. What I do is I simply take something that the user knows, the viewer knows, and combine it with something that they don't know. For example, one of the things that worked out very well was how to make money with Target without working for Target. So I'll take something that they know, like Target, and making money, and combine it with something that they don't know. In this instance, if we jump back over to this video here, let's open that up. Stop using Etsy to make money. Everyone knows that, well, I would say most marketers or people that want to make money online know that they can use Etsy to make money, but I'm actually taking a negative. I'm telling them to stop using Etsy to make money, and this works for a few reasons. One, if you make money on Etsy, you're going to say, what? Or you're going to get offended. This is going to strike a nerve. People are going to say, I make good money on Etsy. Why should I stop? If you are interested and you've seen videos about making money on Etsy or making money online with Etsy, you're going to stop and say, what? Why should I not use Etsy? I was told that you can make thousands of dollars per day with Etsy. And so, again, one of the best things that you can do, and this works for any niche, take something that the user or viewer knows and combine it with something that they don't know and use a negative keyword. For example, stop is a negative keyword because it means you're doing something wrong. Stop using Etsy to make money. So you can see there how that works. Etsy is a trigger word that people know. Make money is a trigger word that people know. And stop is a trigger word that people know. And again, you can do this for any niche. If you're in like woodworking, let's say you want to promote Ted's Woodworking, you can say you're doing wood carving wrong, or most people don't understand this about wood carving, or 5 mistakes that you're making when it comes to wood carving. And then you can promote whatever it is that you're promoting, but this can work for literally any niche. And it's really simple. All of your videos need to have 3 components: a hook, a story, and an offer. The hook, as I mentioned, is taking a negative keyword and mixing it in with things that they know. The story is you just paying off whatever it is that you have introduced them to, in this instance, a hook, and the offer is that call to action. Now, what I recommend if you're new to affiliate marketing, you need to collect emails. Most people won't tell you that email marketing is critical to your success. They just want you to grab your affiliate link and push it right over, feed it right to the consumer. But that is the absolutely wrong way to go to build an online business. Now, again, there are going to be people out there that are telling you, I make $10,000 a month and I don't collect a single email. How much more money could you make if you collected emails? The other thing too is collecting emails is actually free, okay? You can use something like Aweber or GetResponse. I would recommend using Aweber to collect emails for free. You can collect 500 emails for free using Aweber. In fact, you could actually start making money before you actually have to pay for the email marketing service. So to break this down, do a little bit of research in your niche and figure out what people know and understand. You're going to try and break that belief by using a negative keyword in conjunction with something that they know and understand. Again, this works for how to make money with Target without working for Target. I did the same thing for Bed Bath & Beyond. How to make money with Bed Bath & Beyond without working for Bed Bath & Beyond. It works like gangbusters. And you can do this over and over and over again. You know, why you're spending too much money on your YouTube lighting. If you're a YouTuber and you're looking to save money or get into YouTube, people are going to stick around and listen and want to learn more. Now, what I do, and you don't have to actually do this, I use this camera here to create all of my content. I'm going to pull this this is a Canon M50. I just started using it recently and have it connected to a desktop stand. You don't have to do this, but I like doing it, and I actually recently upgraded so I could see myself and make sure that I was aligned properly. But you don't have to do it. You can start with your smartphone. You can start with a webcam that you have lying around the house. Just make sure that you have your camera set up for the right dimensions. One of the worst things that you could do is actually set your camera for the wrong dimensions and it comes out weird. But I actually use that, and what I'll do on a Saturday is I'll sit down and I'll make 30 videos, I'll make 50 videos, and then I actually will just cut them out. I'll make 50 videos, but I'll just sit down and I'll make them all at one time, and then throughout the week I'll just chop up the clips into individual videos and then go from there. But again, this works for any niche, and this will work all day and all night. As you saw with my Instagram profile, I have less than 10,000 followers. You don't need a bunch of followers to get up and running. And I actually am inconsistent with my upload. Some days I'll upload 2, other days I won't upload at all. But if you do that, you will make money and earn some passive income. Now that you know the easiest way to earn affiliate commissions with Instagram Reels, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.